Whenever I post a video about Field Agent, I get comments saying that it's not worth it for the amount of time it takes and for such low pay. Well, in this video, I'm going to take you along for a ride along. I'm doing a gig at Sam's Club. This one was only for $4.50, but I'm going to show you how you could do these gigs and make it actually worth it. Especially in a big store like Sam's Club, if you're walking back and forth from one corner to the other, it could definitely not be worth it. If you're stopping at every stop, if you're stopping at every place to take your picture and you don't keep moving, it could make the gig take way longer than it has to be. There's a couple of things to keep in mind. Number one is you don't have to go in order. So you're going to get a list of products in order. For this one, it was really random. It was pasta sauce was first, then pasta, and then it was home thermostats, and then toothpaste. So I knew that the pasta and the sauce was in one section, and then the home thermostats was in the beginning of the store, and then the toothpaste is at the end of the store. So don't think that you have to go in order. You could skip through the gig all the way to the end and do it in the order that you want to do it. Also, if you have multiple gigs at the same store, it's the same idea. Don't walk back and forth just because you want to go in the order that you reserved it. This could save you a lot of time and could turn a 20-minute gig into like a 3 to 5 minute gig like I did with this one. So as I'm going, I know exactly where the home thermostats aren't because I do gigs at this store almost every day, and I know that they don't have home thermostats. So whenever that happens, don't get stressed out. Sometimes it'll say like skip it if that section's not there, but this one didn't. So don't just skip and do no picture because it will get automatically denied. Take a picture of something very similar. So in this case, I'm going to take a picture of the smart home thermostats and just make sure at the end of the gig to write that there wasn't any home thermostats. I asked the employee, so I took a picture of the smart cameras and it will get approved every time. So I'm all the way to that part of the gig. Also, when you walk into the store and you see the gig, there's going to be pages and pages of instructions. You don't have to read it. Once you've done a couple of these, you'll know exactly what it's asking for. At Sam's Club, any other big club store, they want a picture of the pallet. At a regular like supermarket or a non-club store, they're going to ask for a 4-foot section, pretty much the same thing, but just make sure you get the pallet in the middle of the picture. So I did that one because it was right in the beginning of the store. Now I'm going to the food section. The food section is all the way on the left side of the store. So now they're going to ask for the product on the shelf. Then they're going to ask for displays. But why would I walk past this display of pasta and then go all the way over there? I try not to pass anything and walk back. So I skipped ahead to the display section, and then I took mental notes that there was no sauce display. So as soon as I'm done with these pictures, I can move on to the next section because I don't have to go looking around for the sauce display. So the pasta was first and then the sauce, but in the aisle, the sauce came first. So now I'm doing like a sidestep. I don't stop and stand there to take every picture. I wasn't sure if I got the right picture, but usually I keep it moving. So I got all the sauce, and now I'm going back in the app to the pasta. I do like a sidestep, and then I just press the button as I walk. Any modern iPhone will have a camera good enough that could take pretty good pictures while you're walking, and it will get approved. So that whole aisle is done. It may seem like a lot of pictures to take pictures of the whole aisle, but if you could do it while you walk, pretty much takes the same amount of time as it does to walk down the aisle. So now I know the toothpaste is in the pharmacy section, which is right there. So it's on the way out. Another thing that's on the way out is the great priced hot dogs, which I'm going to get for lunch after this. So now I'm going to go to the toothpaste. I kept notes, made sure that there wasn't any display at the end. So when I'm done with this, I could just go. I'm getting the pallets in the middle. I'm walking. I'm getting all of the toothpaste. Usually it'll be like toothpaste, mouthwash, toothbrushes, and everything. But for some reason, this was just the toothpaste. So I got the toothpaste pictures, and that's pretty much it. That's how you could do these gigs super fast. And now there's usually like 5 or 6 gigs at this store. This time there was only one, but it was on my way home. So when you see the gig, if it pays $3, pays $5, it may not seem like it's worth it for all the stuff that they ask you. But once you've done a couple of these and you know these tips and tricks, you could get in and out of these gigs super fast, and you could do a lot of them in a day. And it could come out to a decent side hustle when there are a lot of gigs. And now that it's the beginning of the month, there is a lot of gigs. So if you want to start making money with the Field Agent app, click the link in the description to sign up.